At school or in the office, with just 1 minute exercise, you can get really nice hips. It's glute activation. Many of us sit on our ass whole day at school or in office, and our glutes, the buttock muscles, fall asleep. We can't really use them. It's very important for normal people just trying to get healthy, but also someone who's trying to achieve sport excellence as well. If you can't use glutes well, then you can't keep your posture right, and also the performance is going to suffer. For example, running needs lots of output from glute. You can guess how important that is. So I put 3 exercises together, which you can do that at school or in office while you're standing. The first one is squats. You just bring your body down and use your glutes to bring your upper body up. When you're doing that, you really have to think about squeezing your glutes. The second exercise is reverse lunges. Reverse lunges is kind of like advanced version of squats. You're using one leg to bring your upper body up. So naturally you have to focus more on your glutes on one side. The last one is kickbacks. You can use your glutes to bring your legs back. Just squeeze and squeeze. Alternatively, you can bring your upper body down as well. Then squeeze. Bring your legs up. Just focus on your glutes. If you can't balance yourself so well, use your arms forward. Alternatively, you can do more dynamic one. It's more effective for running. By bringing your knees higher, you can use this technique while you run as well. So when can we do this exercise? I'd say once every 1 hour, you should get up and walk around or go to the toilet or go to the meeting. After the meeting, after a bit of snacking, you can just do this exercise. You can start with the squats, more basic ones, and gradually you can do more advanced exercise. So you get to use glutes and also in a wider range of movements. It's very important to do it frequently so you don't let your hip muscles fall asleep. After a while you will notice that you can engage so much more glute muscles while you're exercising or just in general. I hope you liked the video, and if you want to see more of them, please subscribe. And also, if you want to know more about some different things, please comment below. So see you next time.